full volume. Welcome on stage, Tats Nkonzo.
Yay! Danko, DJ Molweni. Hello. It's so nice to greeting esiXhosa Molweni. Where's Eastern Cape? Because everyone understands Molweni. Ewe. Yo, rural here. Ewe. Ewe. Yeah, no, I speak for a living, guys. You can get into trouble from a greeting. Ladies and gentlemen, it will get you into trouble quickly. You know we're living in the LGBT. And I want you guys to hear what I'm saying. It is good to be, when someone wants to be called what they want to be called, it is good to be, just call them that. What the fuck? So, ladies and gentlemen, Galoku is exclusive. You're going to come in, and this is a warning. This is not even a comedy show, guys. This is a warning. You're going to go up on stage or at your jobs. You get there. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Someone in the back. Yeah, but what about us? Then you will remember me. Yes, he did say. Just say Molweni. What about us? Yo, Yabazi. Yes. They are everywhere, guys. Just acknowledge them. Just say Molweni, hello everybody. That is the most politically correct way to greet people. If you don't know, Molweni, hello everybody. Do you understand? I'm not even going to tell you to clap. You see, I was telling you to clap your hands as lights and in bone. I can't tell you to do things I don't know you can do. Yo, everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands for the next act. Someone in the back. Yeah, but what about us? Ooh, yeah, buzz. Hey, this place, actually. Safa, LGP, no, NA. No, and remember what I'm saying. I'm big, guys. And this is such a nice show. Zandleni, guys, who see has put such a beautiful show on. Look around. This is fucking 3 cameras. 1, 2. Two. Where's the third? There's a 3 1. Pa. I'm just worried. Hey, 4. 4 black cameramen behind the cameras, which is fine. I just prefer white cameramen. It's my preference. I like white cameramen because I know that white people are good at shooting black people. I'm a professional, guys. Just give me a chance to finish. And yes, but I heard your little disturbance. You're busy. That's us. Nearly fucked up my whole shit. Hello, everybody. Don't clap your hands. I was saying this is a beautiful event. One room. I love the collaborations between the production and the venue and the comedians. It's beautiful. But if you're careless, people are very sensitive. Yeah, Baz, hey, what about us? Next thing tomorrow, they're going to be on Twitter and this whole place will be cancelled. Yeah, Baz, fuck that place, Foxy, yeah? Fuck Tatsi. I don't know what phones they use, but they have phones. Fuck that place! Fuck the place! Send. And they laughed. They all laughed. Fuck all of them. All because you are not sensitive. Don't even say hello everybody. Just anything you can do to think. Be considerate. Not even everybody. Hello everybody is also kaka. Hello everyone. Molweni nonke. Hello everyone. Right? Next thing you say hello everybody. The head walks in here with no body. Hey, what about us? What about us with no body, eh? Okay, fuck this place. Yo, Monday they joined powers together. Fuck that place. Actually, I was there as well. There are no toilets for nobody. saying Khaled, but nobody, and everyone is clapping, my brother. Yes. Follow back. Now we are cancelled because some sapi hloko. Sakudlalisa phi inhloko. Wena ufuna uhlala lapho uzayibona njani show? Izane chomi yakhe kubambe so. Izane chomi yakhe izokubamba so buke le show.